Is the machine and its new configuration. It came out really nice, and I'm super excited with it. So if you remember, this is the Grizzly G0769. Came with a piece that came off the back here, and the mill was mounted to this, which meant that you had to use this cross slide, which is just tiny. I mean, here's my hand compared to it. This thing is just... And the other problem is, if you wanted to, like, I did mount a big plate on here, but it has a teetering point because this is so narrow, so you don't really get good results with the mill. It's pretty unusable. And the other thing is, it shares controls with the lathe, so you can only run one at a time through this selector switch up here, which I didn't know when I bought it, and I wouldn't have bought it had I known that you couldn't, that they both didn't have controls. But I just was, you know, had dealt with older mills. This is my first, or, you know, lathes. This is my first one. I like it. It works really good. It's just, you know, this was pretty much unusable because you had to tear off your tooling, and this is how you connect it. And you had to shove something through that hole right there to hold this up to try and set the tool on top of it and get the bolts in those holes. And maybe some of you guys out there are smarter than me and you could figure out how to do that, but I definitely had a hard time with it, and it was just a nightmare. So anytime I wanted to mill something, it was like a commitment to take it off, and then I wouldn't, you know, if you had something that you wanted to mill then lathe, or either or, you had this mess. So what I did is I removed the whole mill from here, and I cut the wire and extended the harness. So that's what you see running back here. Just use trailer wiring. The wires you're going to find in there, there's 5 of them. So you can see there's 5 wires here.